Hi, my name is Amy McMillan, and this is the second video to how to build a digital portfolio using Google Sites. So if you're watching this, you've already built the basic site, and for this video, I'll show you how to add elements such as docs and images. Okay, so first let me share my screen with you, and then you should be on your site. And of course, if you can't find your site, it should be in your drive if you've already built it. You can look for this purple square to find your site. Okay, so here I am. I'm on my home page. And according to the requirements, the home page needs a quote and an image. So to add a quote, you first press Insert and then Text Box. And then the quote will go here. And you should find the quote before you choose your image because they should have to do with each other. To find a quote, you just make a new tab and then you type in quotation about, and then put a topic that comes up in your portfolio. So my portfolio is about writing. So I put quotation about writing, and then don't choose one of the image memes because these are artwork created by somebody else. Just choose a site that has quotes. I like Goodreads. And you're going to copy and paste a quote that either has to do with your portfolio or speaks to you personally. So I'll just take this Stephen King quote. You can copy and paste it. So select it, Command C if you're on a Mac. And then in your text box on your site, just paste it in. I like it to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to select all of it and then use the drop down next to normal text. And I like to make it the subheading size. Then you can drag in the side, and so it's just in a corner. So this is a Stephen King quote that is telling people they should read. So for my image on this side, I'll look for an image that has to do with that. So to insert an image, you press Images here, and then you can either search in your Google Drive if you have uploaded something you made yourself, or you can search here in Google. Of course, these are licensed for reuse. So I'm going to just search for the keyword read. And let's see if any of these go with what I want. Not liking them. I'm going to try book. Books, maybe. So I'll take this one for now. Let's see. However, I need to click on this source link to see if attribution is required. So I'm going to click on this blue source link. And so here's my image. It says you must attribute the work. So I need to give credit to this person on my site, which is fine. I can do that. So I'm going back to my site. I'm going to insert this image. And I can move it over here to the side, and I can make this bigger. You can move the text down so it's the same level with this trick. You just add a little text box, resize it. You can move it up so then these are on the same level. You won't see this text when you publish it. Okay, so I need to put a citation. So I'm going to add a text box. I'm going to write image credit. I'm just going to copy the name of the creator right here. And I'm going to paste it. And then I'll just, and it actually links back. So that link just was created automatically, which is great. All right, so now let's take a look at my home page. I'll press this eyeball to get a preview. It's looking good. I still need to have an actual creative title, but I like how the home page is looking so far. I'm going to X out of that. Now, the other thing you need to do is add your required element. So I'm going to click on element 1. In my class, the first required element is a piece of narrative writing and a reflection about it. So I say first add the text box. So insert text box for the reflection. And then just type the word reflection so that you remember to do it. Now click on the white and then press from drive over here on the side. So it's insert from drive. And you can search by looking for the document with this search here. Or if you've had it open recently to revise it, as you should have been doing, you can press recent and it will be in the recent area. Let me see. So here's my narrative. I'm going to click on it and press insert. And now it is embedded on my site. You can check it by pressing this square arrow and make sure it's what you want, and any edits, of course, you need to do on this document, not on the site. But if it looks like what you want and you have your last name taken off, that's important too, last name taken off, check the sharing settings. They should be anyone with the link can view. If they are not, press the blue button, press advanced, change, and then make sure it's anyone with the link can view, and then press save and done. Every embedded doc or slide needs to look exactly like that. Okay, now I'm going to click back over to my site, and I'll type my reflection here. When I'm done typing the reflection, I'll go on to the next element. So let's take a preview and see what it looks with the doc embedded. So preview. And then viewers can scroll down to read the whole thing. And of course, you can see tablet size, phone size, back to computer size. I'm going to X out of that. All right, so your next steps are to add all of your required elements and your choice just by clicking on the tabs and embedding the thing you want there. And then you type your Dear Reader page. You can either embed a doc, or you can just press the Dear Reader and insert text box and write your Dear Reader letter right here. So that's completely up to you. Let me stop sharing my screen. Hold on a second. So that concludes how to embed images and docs. Slides work the exact same way, or forms, sheets, so on. The next video will show you how to add optional elements like the dedication page, the About the Author page, and also a Creative Commons license. Thanks for watching.